Hey folks, Bernakevitch here with All Points Design. That's allpointsdesign.ca. And today we're talking about the Oregon State University Permaculture Design Template. You may be using this template in the Permaculture Design course or potentially in the Food Forestry course, but the tutorials that we'll go over during these tutorial sessions will apply to this template in however it is being used within the Oregon State University Permaculture course offerings. First off, this template has been built in Google Slides. Google Slides is a presentation software akin to PowerPoint or Keynote, and as such, acts very similar to those programs. If you're used to working in Keynote or PowerPoint, you can download this template and you can use it in those programs and then export a PDF and upload to Canvas. Something to keep in mind is if you've never used these types of programs before, there will be a bit of a learning curve. Make sure to watch the tutorials and to ask lots of questions. Some of the pros of using this software is it's highly accessible. It means not only can you post your link, which we'll describe in a second how to do, but you can post your link for your grader to look at, but also for your classmates. As part of this course, part of the requirements is that you comment and look at other people's works. It's relatively easy to use. There's a couple of specific things that we'll get into, but understandably, it's made for anybody to use. And it's a professional looking template, so that way at the end of this, if you want, you can actually print this template off as your portfolio of work. As I said before, the cons are there's a bit of a learning curve, and there's no layering system within Google Slides, which means there's no way to have certain layers on or off. However, you can move things forward and backwards, which we'll get into in a later tutorial. While this template is not mandatory for this course, it is highly recommended. We've worked on this for a number of years, and it's very easy to use and understand what you need to put into it to build out your portfolio. Make sure to always submit the entire portfolio if you do export as a PDF, so that way your instructor has all the previous assignments to look at, as well as fellow students. Such a pleasure to have you in the class. Welcome. We hope you really enjoy the course and the template. If you enjoyed the video, click like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.